In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change default search engine on Google Chrome. By the end, you'll know exactly how to choose which service answers when you type in the address bar, so your searches work the way you prefer. Start by opening Google Chrome on your computer. Make sure you're in your regular browsing window rather than a temporary or guest session, so the change stays tied to your profile. Up in the top right corner of Chrome, look for the 3 vertical dots. That's the main menu. Click it to open the list of options, then choose Settings. This takes you to Chrome's control panel, where you can adjust how the browser behaves. Inside Settings, find the section labeled Search Engine. You'll typically see it in the left-hand sidebar, and it may also appear in the main area. Click Search Engine to reveal the relevant options. You're looking for the control that specifies which provider Chrome uses in the address bar. Next to the text that says Search Engine used in the address bar, click the button or drop-down labeled Change. Depending on your version, it may appear as a drop-down list or open a panel. The idea is the same. You'll now see a list of available providers. Choose the one you want to use going forward. Your options here include Microsoft Bing, Yahoo, Ecosia, or DuckDuckGo. A quick note to help you decide. Bing integrates closely with Microsoft services. Yahoo offers a familiar portal-style experience. Ecosia supports reforestation projects with its ad revenue, and DuckDuckGo focuses on privacy by minimizing tracking. Once you've highlighted your preferred provider, confirm your choice by clicking Set as Default. That confirmation tells Chrome to use your selection whenever you type a query in the address bar or trigger a search from the browser interface. You should see the setting update immediately to reflect your new default. A couple of helpful notes. If you notice the control is disabled or you see a message indicating your browser is managed, the ability to change this setting may be restricted by your organization or device administrator. If you use multiple Chrome profiles on the same computer, this change applies only to the profile you're currently using. So repeat the same process in any other profile where you want the new default. And don't worry, switching the default doesn't remove anything. It simply routes your searches through the provider you selected. That's all you need to do. Whenever you search from the address bar, Chrome will use your new default engine. Thanks for watching, and enjoy browsing with your preferred search provider.